We're at the Graceview third annual car show with the antique cars and some vendors and food on June 6th. Here we go. This looks like a pink Cadillac station wagon, 1950 something. Here's a car all painted up, brand new. Oh, here's a sporty one. Oops. Now there's my car, black and white.
Yeah, Mustang.
Looks like Corvette. There's a Mustang. There's another black and orange way in the back. Got some empty slots here. That's an unusual color, orange and beige. Hi.